Hello guys, welcome to ARCHITECH. This is your boy Archie and this is the first video on this channel, so make sure to show your love. And today we are gonna do a quick unboxing of Samsung U-Flex, so buckle up tech enthusiasts. I got this package from Amazon during a lightning deal, so let's begin. As you guys can see, this is the full box of the earphone. Now let's open up the box. Samsung U-Flex headphones are designed to fit perfectly and keep working wherever you need them, whether at the gym, commuting to work, or out jogging. As you guys can see, this is the earpiece and it looks beautiful. This is the accessories box. We'll check out the earpiece later. Let's see what's inside. And this is the micro USB cable for charging. Let's see what else. And what is this? Quick start guide. We don't need this shit. Now let's come to the earpiece. Samsung U-Flex are decent wireless in-ears for most users. The sound is decently well balanced, if a bit sharp on some tracks, and have an around the neck design that's a bit bulkier than most, but flexible enough to fit into some pocket. As the name suggests, Samsung U-Flex are quite flexible. You can bend them up to the extent of 100 degrees and they will not break. Samsung U-Flex looks more premium than Samsung Level U Pro. Now I am going to conduct a series of tests on these earphones. I am going to check out its audio quality, its bass quality, and its microphone sensitivity. Let's see. One of the best features about these earphones is its battery backup and Bluetooth range. Let's discuss battery backup first. These earpieces can last up to 12 hours of continuous music on almost high volume, and they can easily last a day and a half on standby. Let's talk about range. The range of these earphones is 160 feet, but if there is any obstruction in the way, like a wall or a door, then the range might reduce to 40 feet. Samsung U-Flex mainly has 3 buttons. This is the pause and play button. You can long press this button to change to the next track. On the back side here, this is the on and off switch. You can press this switch upwards to turn on these earphones. As you guys can now see, these earphones are in pairing mode now. The third button is the Google Assistant button. But if you're a Samsung user, you can use this button for Bixby, as health, reminder, clock, etc. So guys, let's discuss pros and cons on this earpiece, which will help you to make your purchase decision. Let's come to the pros first. Low audio leakage, great wireless range, easy to use and flexible design, great battery backup, and sensitive microphone. Now coming to the cons. Poor noise isolation, sharp audio reproduction, and low bass. I'm sorry guys, if you are a bass head and you like thumpy audio, then Skullcandy Method, Sony MDR XB50 and JBL E25BT are the best choices for you. So guys, in conclusion, if you prefer audio quality and treble over bass, and if you want to use these earphones for calling purposes, then you might want to check out these earphones. But if you want a bass heavy earphone, then I'm not gonna recommend these for you. This is it guys. This was my first video on this channel. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel.